You have to have the idea that person has to be here. They have to be here. They have to be here.
Which one was it?
It was. Anyways, yeah. So like, it's very interesting.
7、
反光。
She didn't? If she didn't.
Oh.
We're finally at LA. A little sound check with you guys. Oh, that is so sweet. Your confidence gives confidence to other girls. Oh, I love that.
Here's a ticket, baby wanna go out, put a palm tree. 우린 부르잖아, 자기 pick it, yeah. 누가 이 town 위를 feel like I'm hot stuff, you're a rock star.
We'll be back super quick, so we'll see you guys in a few. Thank you guys. Bye.
At the White House, yeah, likewise. 위태로운 rhythm 속에 just right. We do need a time out. At the White House, yeah, likewise. 위태로운 rhythm 속에 just right. We do need a time out.
Third priority is to make sure everyone's happy. Can we make sure everyone is okay? When was it? I want to know. When was it? Right now? Day one. Pre-debut. 16. Is it just me? You guys. Or is it getting a little sticky in here?
How long before we fall in love?
go both. I don't know why I'm getting too emotional today, but maybe because my mom and dad come. Oh my gosh! My mom and dad is over there. I love you so much. Thank you so much for taking your time and effort to come to our concert. It really, really means a lot. Nothing could be happier than the feeling when we're fully connected to each other and we pour our emotions and hearts to the music. Performing. Not even a tissue, a towel. Not tissue. You want me to wipe all my makeup off or something? Sorry. Okay. And I spent a long time being a trainee. Being here on stage is really like a dreams come true. So seeing you guys enjoying with us, I feel more and more happy. This is our first ever tour, the first ever concert we're doing in America. And thank you guys so much for being with us tonight. This is gonna hold a very, very special place in our heart. Also, this is actually the first time that my brother is watching our concert today. Joseph, where are you? My parents are also here as well, so I love you. Hi. Okay. 제가 버스 투어를 하거든요. 그런데 이제 그 지역들 되게 잘 보면서 막 간단 말이에요. 근데 LA가 진짜 너무 예쁜 도시인 거예요. 그래서 정말 여기 Wow, how do you guys understand that? You know Korea. I was about to translate. Wow, so cool. 그래서 정말 살고 싶을 정도로 한 번쯤은 살아도 좋겠다는 생각으로 여기 왔는데 이제 저희 고마워. 왔는데 우리가 LA가 총 2번 공연인데 다음번 공연이 너무 기대될 정도로 오늘 공연 하루가 너무 좋았어요. Bob Sky said she wants to live in LA maybe someday. Bob Sky in LA. Bob Sky in LA. Area code for LA. Yay. And then heart. Heart.